Partnerships and collaborations are the most important part of international oncology's business model. And in India specifically, the way we have conceptualized our model and how we have gone about creating this company is that the role of our collaborators is very important. So here for our first center we collaborated with Fortis, which is obviously the one of the strongest healthcare companies here, and our first comprehensive center came up here. Then we have collaborated with Hiranandani in Bombay, and that center has come up very well also because they have an outstanding facility in Bombay. Similarly, we have tied up with other very prominent business houses and healthcare providers in India. For example, in Pune with Aditya Birla, and in some other cities also we are partnering and collaborating with some of the strongest healthcare players. The other important part of collaboration for international oncology is also with Albert Einstein College of Medicine, where we derive a lot of strength in terms of treatment protocols, ongoing training and competence building. We have sent several of our doctors and physicists to be trained in New York. The other part is of course our suppliers, the vendors. We have received tremendous degree of support from Varian, which is the #1 company as far as radiation therapy is concerned. They have collaborated with us in a very strong way. And Evolco is a company that is partnering with us in terms of HIS and creating a oncology specific healthcare information system, which is going to go a long way in making sure that we have access to the right kind of information and reports that can be generated from that database. So the role of partners and collaborators for our success is tremendous, and we look forward to continue to build many more such strong relationships in future.